Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 1 of Scratching Stocks. Now, you may be wondering what this is, and I think I am too. So here's the premise. You go to 7-Eleven or any convenience store, and you see people buying lottery tickets, and they're standing in line, or they're playing the jackpot, the Powerball, and most of them, 99.9%, are going to lose all the money, all of it, all of it. They're just going to lose it. And so I kind of thought to myself, why lose all your money playing the lotto when you could gamble it on the stock market and maybe only lose half of it? You got better odds on the stock market. Now, obviously, the stock market, you're not going to make that jackpot and win millions and millions of dollars. But honestly, you're not going to make it playing the lotto anyways. So the idea came, and we're looking at the lotto versus the stock market. Now, I feel pretty confident in the stock market. I've got a little experience. I mean, I've lost a little bit of money. That's how much experience I've got. I haven't lost a lot of money. So when we're looking at the lotto versus the stock market, what we're going to play here is we're going to put the stock market against scratchers against Powerball. If we play all of these games, not just once, but over the span of a couple weeks or a couple months, what's going to happen? How much money are we going to gain or lose? What kind of potential is there? And I have the feeling that lottery, we're going to lose it all. Stock market, I think we can keep our money. And if not, we'll keep at least half of it. I think it's definitely possible. So before we begin, I'm sure everyone knows this, but before we begin, let's take a look. How does all this work? Now, when we look at Virginia Lottery, I'm really just talking about scratchers right now. So how do you make money playing scratchers? Well, there's lots of different games, and you just follow the directions on the card, and you hope you get lucky. That's it. That's all there is to it. Then we'll look at Powerball. Powerball, how do you make money playing Powerball? Well, you from the top part, you pick 5 numbers, and then at the bottom part, you pick 1. That's your lucky Powerball. And if you're lucky, this guy is gonna draw your balls, all of them. He's gonna draw all your balls and the Powerball. And really, the way it works is the more balls that you match, the more numbers, the more money you're gonna win. Now, if you take a look at the screen here, if you just get the Powerball, that's $4. But if you get the Powerball and one of your numbers, that's still only $4. I don't know. If you get all 4 balls, you only get $100. But if you add the Powerball, it's $50,000. So really, if you don't get that Powerball, you're not going to make a lot of money. So I guess that's why they call it Powerball. You really need to get that Powerball. The stock market, how does the stock market work? Well, long story short, there's lots of different ways to make money in the stock market, but we're going to go the easy way. The easy way is to buy low, sell high. That's it. There are other ways where you could make money if the stock price drops, but in this example, buy at $2, sell it at $3, and pocket the difference. So let the games begin. All right, I've already done all this. I know what's going to happen in the first episode, but let's see what happens. So we started off with the Powerball. And the Powerball is the numbers are drawn at 11 o'clock in the evening on Saturdays and Wednesdays. So I went and got my ticket last night, and I got 3 of them. And it was I got the I think EP. I think that stands for electronically picked. But anyways, I didn't pick my numbers. I just had the computer pick them. And I bought 3 of them. So A, B, and C. And I got the Powerball numbers there all the way to the right. And so we've got a total of, 18 different numbers that we're trying to hit. Now, what happened? So after the Powerball, went ahead and Googled Powerball. And here's our numbers: 18, 31, 36, 43, 47, and 20 is the Powerball. 18? No. 31? No. 36? No. 43? 47? No. No. Didn't get a single number. I don't really like those odds. So this was $2 a play, so that's $6 down the drain, just like that. Now, if you check out their website for Powerball, imagine the moment when you win. Look how happy she is. This was me last night. A little upset. Lost $6. Yeah, but on the scratchers, usually have better luck with scratchers anyway. So I bought 5 of these dollar signs, 5 of them. And if you look in the instructions, reveal a dollar sign, win the prize. Reveal 2 dollar signs, win double the prize. So looking at the little icons or pictures, check, gold, diamond, going down the line. No, it's $1 in the trash. Next one, looking through, boom, we won. I got a dollar sign, $2. So now we're even. We spent $2 on 2 tickets and we won 2 tickets, but I bought 5 tickets. Next one, ticket number 3, no dollar sign. Ticket number 4, no dollar sign. These are the actual tickets. These are the tickets. Took a picture after I scratched them. Number 5, no dollar sign. Oh, let me get out of the way. We won $2, but technically we lost $3. Can't even say you won 2. You had a scratcher that won 2, but overall we lost $3. The stock market. All right, so in this example, not the example, this is I actually did some trades, and this was day trading. I bought and sold the same day. But the first thing I wanted to do is find a stock. And so on this site, and there's lots of them, but I landed up on TradingView. I looked at the top gainers. These are the stocks that have gained the most. And if you look at the description up there, it says that the top gainers often continue to soar and reach new highs when their fundamentals are strong. So basically, they're trying to tell you that these stocks are winners. I don't know. I didn't have a lot of money. We did $10 investment. And so I sorted by lowest stocks. And looking through the list, I found HMHC, Houghton Mifflin LLC. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. But this is what their stock has done for the last week. There's different ways we can look at it. We can look at the daily, the weekly chart. So for most of it, it was kind of just hanging out, not doing too much. And then boom, something happened and it jumped. And it kind of remained up there. Kind of looks like a plateau. So again, this is Houghton Mifflin Harcourt. And they engages in the provision of pre-K-12 education solutions, delivering content, technology services, and media. It operates through the education and HMH Books and Media. So they're an education company, and I don't know, during the pandemic, maybe they have stuff that's online, and maybe they're doing really well. Maybe they're doing well. It's a good time to have an online education business. So checked out their website. I'm in the web design field, and it's kind of boring website. But does that matter? Does it? I don't know. Would you buy a company? If would you invest in a company if they got a bad website? Maybe not. So, anyways, the question was, what caused this jump? What? I think we can figure it out. Take a look at the news. Let me get out of the way here. Take a look at the news. Strategic restructuring. And This enables HMH to support teachers and students with digital first. So that's really needed right now. And the actions we're taking are intended to drive billions in growth, position us to build our reoccurring subscription revenue base. So they're talking big numbers. But unfortunately, this restructuring means a 22% reduction of the workforce. So they're letting go quite a few people. Total expenditures are estimated to reduce by, what's that, 95 to 100 million dollars annually. So that is a chunk of change. So here's the gamble. Since this is gambling, investors like the news and the stock continues to rise. We already know investors like the news. That's why we had the jump right here. Or what comes up comes down. So the stock market opens at 9:30 Eastern time, and I'm using Robinhood to buy and sell, and some stocks you can buy before it opens. So I bought at 9:28, so 2 minutes before the bell. I bought 4 shares at $2.11, and total that's $8.44. So I'm $8.44 invested. I didn't even spend all $10 that I have in my account. All right, yep, we got that. 14 minutes later, it's Friday. I'm working at the same time, so I don't have too much time to be staring at this. 14 minutes later, right out the gate, it jumps. Since I bought the stock, it jumped 30 cents in just a few minutes. So that's a good sign. And from the experience that I've got, it's time to get out. We've made a little bit of money. Let's just take the money and run. I was thinking about it long term. Maybe this would be a stock to invest some money in. Like I said, like everyone knows, kids are working from home or going to school from home, and this company appears to be investing a lot in the online experience. So maybe long term, it'd be a good company to stick with, to invest with. But for the sake of making this video, I saw it go up and it felt pretty good. So this is what happened. We bought 4 shares for $8.44, and we sold all 4 for $9.61. And this was in 14 minutes. We made $1.17. That doesn't sound like much, but that's over 10%, right? So if we had invested 100,000, 10%, we could have made 10,000. All right. So unlike Powerball and unlike the Scratchers, this is a really good feeling. Look, even if it's $1.17, I was stoked, right? I didn't lose any money. I made $1.17. So if we recap the video thus far, Powerball, we invested $6. I bought 3 of them at $2 a piece, and we lost all of it, 100% loss. All right, the Scratchers, we spent $5. We won $2, but overall we lost 3, 60% loss. Stock market, $10 in the account. Now we only we didn't spend all 10, but so this math may be a little wrong, but of that initial investment, we made $1.17. So our total amount invested grew by 11.7%. So pretty good rise on the first one, pretty good gain, and it's easy to lose in the stock market. It's easy to lose money, and a lot of money quickly. So making $1.17, I'm stoked. All right, so that is it. That's it for episode 1. Episode 1 of Scratching Stocks. Now, I have to do the infamous please comment, please like, please subscribe. Please help me grow this channel. I'm really excited to see what happens. I actually found another channel about 6 years ago, and this guy did something similar. He just bought Powerball versus something else, and he said he was going to invest roughly $1,000 and do it for 10 weeks, and he bailed after 2 episodes. So who knows what happened? But no, I'm excited about this. And if you wanna see what happens, definitely subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, any lottery tickets, or if you want me to pick your numbers for Powerball, go ahead and comment. Comment the numbers. Comment the numbers, and maybe I'll pick your numbers. And as always, give a thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for watching. Spread the word. All right. Thanks, everybody.